Okay, digital marketing. You've probably heard that term, but what does it actually mean? And more importantly, how the heck do you make money with it? Well, here's the thing. So, whether you realize it or not, if you are already running a business, if you're posting online or you're trying to attract customers, guess what? You're already doing digital marketing. But the question is, are you using it to make money? Okay. So, today I'm going to be breaking down step by step so that you can start using digital marketing to grow your income. Now, whether that means you're going to be doing freelancing, or you could be interested in selling digital products, or maybe promoting affiliate offers. So let's dive in. So one of the fastest ways to make money with digital marketing is to offer it as a service. Because you know what? There's businesses out there, and these businesses, they need digital marketing, but they don't have time to do it themselves. And I can attest to that. I have my own business, and I've hired virtual assistants to come in and help me with my own digital marketing. All right. So I know it firsthand. I also have my own clients that I help with digital marketing. So it's so funny because I have a client that I help with digital marketing, and I'm too busy in my own business to do my own digital marketing. So I had to hire assistants to help me with my digital marketing. So it's a no-brainer. And honestly, these business owners, right? They start these businesses. And in the beginning, they're handling everything themselves, okay? And it's okay, and it works out for them until it doesn't work anymore because they become too busy. And then they start realizing that they need help. And we've got millions of new businesses being started online every single year. As a matter of fact, I think it's around 5 million per year online businesses that are being started. So that's a lot of digital marketing that needs to be done, all right? So freelancers are in demand. Now, you can actually freelance as a social media manager. You can freelance as an email marketer where you're handling all the email marketing, all right? You can also freelance as a sales funnel builder. And what is that? Well, if you watched one of my earlier videos, we talked about the sales funnel and how important it is to build the funnels and to nurture leads that turn into clients. So we need these assistants that help us come in and kind of take care of all of these sales from the beginning to the end, okay? And build the sales funnels for us. You can also freelance as a paid ads manager, okay? There's lots of different things that you could do in the CRM world as a freelancer. So how do you get your first client? Well, the first thing that you're going to want to do is, obviously, you need to go out there and offer your services, right? You need to let people know that what you're doing and that you're out there and that you have services available. But you want to go into these different Facebook groups, okay? There are Facebook groups for small business owners, and these small business owners are going in there for advice and recommendation and just to have a network with other small business owners. You can go into these Facebook groups and let them know what you do and engage and make comments and leave tips and add value into these groups. And a lot of times, a lot of my own clients have found their clients in these Facebook groups. So it's really important to look inside these Facebook groups. Number 2 is to list yourself on Fiverr or Upwork to get discovered. Now, what is Fiverr and Upwork? Basically, they're freelance sites where you can go and list your services, and people who need those services are scrolling on there all of the time looking for workers, freelance workers. So it's really important. It's a great way to expand yourself, okay? Because, just doing one thing, like just going into Facebook groups or, just doing word of mouth or whatever, sometimes it's not enough. So it's really important to expand that a little bit and list yourself on these platforms. And the third thing is to, like I just mentioned, use word of mouth. This is so important. Let your network know what you have to offer. And who is in your network? You got friends, you got family, you got colleagues, you got people that you know that are in small businesses. Maybe you joined a coaching program and that you have, classmates that are in that coaching program. Tell everyone, what you have available, okay? Because that can be one of the strongest ways of getting a client. As a matter of fact, way back in the day, back in 2010 when I started my VA business, that's how I got my very first client, was by word of mouth. All right. It wasn't online. It wasn't, anything like that. It wasn't even advertising. It was word of mouth. So word of mouth is really, really important. So if you are interested in a full video on how to land digital marketing clients, I want you to drop the word freelance below, and I will send you more information on that. So step number 2 is to sell digital products. This is a really passive income, okay? So if you don't want to work with clients, no problem. Another great way to profit from digital marketing is to actually sell digital products. And you may be asking, what is a digital product anyway? Well, digital products are just things that you can sell that you create yourself, like ebooks or online courses. You actually take your knowledge, because we all have unique skills. We all have different stories, right? And we take our knowledge and we package it up into ebooks or online courses, or even something like templates or printables. And you can even do something like Canva graphics and Instagram templates. There's so many different things that you can package. And here's some ways to sell them. What you can do is you can take these, once you've created these digital products, you can sell them or post them on Pinterest and Instagram for some free traffic, okay? And when you post them, there's different ways that you post, all right? So you have to learn these digital marketing skills, right? But it'll lead them to a page where they can take a look at your product and they can actually purchase it. Which leads me to number 2, which another way is to set up a simple sales funnel to sell automatically. So you can post on Pinterest and you can post on Instagram, which would lead to your sales funnel. All right. And the sales funnel, you can build that in a program like Social Connector. I've talked about that quite a bit. But again, it takes some digital marketing skills so that you can learn how to do all these things. But that's another great way, is just a simple sales funnel. And then the third way is to use something outside of social media, maybe like your own website. There are platforms like Etsy, right? I'm sure everybody's heard of Etsy. There's a lot of creative things that are sold on there. There's a lot of digital products that are sold on Etsy. Go take a look. And every different industry, weight loss journals and motivational journals, and every single industry, fitness. Oh my gosh, there's so many, I can't even list them all, but I would, encourage you to go take a look at Etsy and see what digital products are selling there, because, you'll kind of get an idea of, it might get those gears going on what kind of digital product you can create on your own. All right, so don't discount Etsy. And if you want a full tutorial on how to actually create and sell digital products, please let me know in the comments, because I can send you some more information on that as well. So you guys, step number 3 is affiliate marketing. And this is where you can earn passive income. So if you want to make money without creating all your own products, right? Because sometimes that does seem a little bit overwhelming at first. Affiliate marketing is probably one of the easiest ways to get started, because you don't have to create anything. The product's already created for you. And affiliate marketing really just lets you earn a commission by recommending tools or software or courses, or maybe even physical products that you already love. So this is how it works. So you go out and you find, these products that you love, and you obviously they're built by companies. So you go to the company and you see if they have an affiliate program. So it could be companies like Amazon or Target or Walmart or wherever. There's tons of them, you guys. All right. And you can also just look for digital courses or software tools within these companies. So you sign up for their affiliate program. And number 2 is that you just take the link that they give you after you sign up for their affiliate program. You have to go through an application process, but once you are approved for that, you will get a unique link. And then all you do is you promote your unique link in all of your content. And when I say content, I mean your social media posts, email marketing, all right? And again, you can do sales funnels. If you have a link in bio on your Instagram page, that link can be right in there as well. All right. But that's how you actually get the word out there, is you have to promote that unique affiliate link. Okay. And then number 3 is when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. It's that simple. You didn't have to create anything for yourself, right? All you did was you took a product that you already love and you shared it with your audience or your network, and they purchase it and you make a commission. Can you imagine that? Could you imagine making a post on Instagram, and then a couple days later, maybe in your sleep, somebody sees it, they click on it and they say, hey, I want to try this product, and they try it and you just made money in your sleep. So affiliate marketing is, again, one of the easiest ways to get started, because you don't have to create products. All right. You just share products that you already use and love. So one of my favorite affiliate programs is actually Social Connector, and I have shared this in most of my videos actually, and I always have a link to Social Connector in the description of my videos, because you know what, I use this CRM system every single day. It not only helps me run my very own business, but I use it for my clients. I recommend it to my clients. And, you know, I earn a commission every single month when I refer this software to new users. And it fits perfectly into my niche because I am a virtual assistant and operations manager, and I serve clients. And, you know, when my clients are in need of a software like this, I have that for them, right? So I refer it. And I also have VA students, virtual assistant students, who want to become CRM experts, and they can use, you know, the Social Connector as an affiliate product for their own clients. So it's just kind of like a domino effect. But I really, that's why I love that software so much, because it helps me in my business and it helps my clients in their business, and it just keeps going on and on and on. So if you want to try Social Connector, they do have a free 14-day trial, so you can check it out and see if it's something for you. So just drop the word, let me see, affiliate in the comments if you would like a link to that. And also if you want a full breakdown on how to actually get started with affiliate marketing. All right. And I'll send some additional information your way. All right. Okay, so let's recap 3 ways to make money with digital marketing. So the very first is freelancing. So this is where you offer digital marketing services like social media management and email marketing and things like that. And number 2 is selling digital products. Now this is where you go and you create your own products. You can create them in Canva, you can create PDFs, templates, checklists, things like that, and you sell them. Okay. And then number 3 is one of my favorites, and it's affiliate marketing. And this is where you earn passive income just by promoting other people's products. You just take your link and you share it, and that's it. Okay. Now, I'm not saying this is, you know, an easy overnight thing. Okay. It still does require work. You actually have to do promotions. You have to post. You have to email. Okay. But these are really 3 great ways to make money at home pretty darn passively. All right. So which strategy are you excited to try? All right. Because I would love to know. Let me know in the comments. I can tell you right now that I am experimenting with all 3. And I am going to continue to experiment and test and see what works for me. And I'm going to be sharing it right here with you so that if, you know, you can actually try some of the things that have worked for me as well. All right. So, and if you want to see the behind the scenes of how I'm actually making money with digital marketing, I would invite you to join my digital marketing circle. So it's just, it's basically a newsletter, and you will be, you know, up to date with all of my testing and my experimentation with these different types of income streams. All right. So just drop the word circle in the comments and I will send you all the details. It's just, all you have to do is put your name and your email in, and then you are in the circle and you'll receive all of the updates. Okay. All right, so if you found this video helpful, will you do me a favor and just hit like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of my videos? And I will see you in the next video.